Well, the pigs got the worst of the storm. Their whole pen just flooded out. Everything. What's up, piggies? Look, I made y'all a door over here where y'all can get out and go hang out with the goats. Let this thing dry up a little bit. Look, there's a hole right here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, you wanna come in here and hang out? Come on. Look. Hole. Hole right here, look. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Get out of that mud. Come on. Come on. You ain't gonna do it, are you? You need me to come in there and run you through the hole, don't you? Come on. Y'all better be nice to them piggies. They come over here and hang out with y'all. Plan was always to put the pigs over here eventually, but this isn't the strongest fence. It's not even touching the ground in some spots. The pigs push right through the fence. That's why theirs is lined with blocks and poles. We're gonna get them over here, get out of that mud and get some exercise. This is gonna be messy. I turn the camera off.